Let's talk about thesis sentences. Learning to use thesis sentences is one of the most powerful ways to improve your writing. Crucially, realize that thesis sentences are different than topic sentences you may have learned about before. Thesis sentences don't just introduce a reader to the topic of a paragraph, they tell the reader the point of the paragraph. So remember, when we say thesis, we do not mean the thesis statement of a paper. We mean distilling your paragraph down into a single sentence that you want the reader to take away after they read it. You can use thesis sentences in every part of your legal writing: facts, rules, analysis, etc. Let's look at some examples. So read this paragraph. It's about why some pieces of evidence are relevant. Now, our thesis sentence will not just introduce a reader to the topic of relevancy, like a topic sentence would, but will relate the point of the paragraph that you hope the reader will take away. Namely, that the DUIs and suspended license are relevant because they help calculate damages. Let's try again with a rule paragraph this time. Read this paragraph. Now, the point of the paragraph is that officers may only search in a couple situations. Otherwise, they cannot search. So rather than just introducing the topic of police searches, we tell the reader the point of this paragraph. Officers may only search residents with a warrant or under an emergency. Let's try another one, this time a paragraph of analysis. The point of this paragraph is that the officer's actions resulted in the defendant having no will to resist. So we don't just introduce the topic by saying the officers treated the defendant badly. We tell the reader what the point is from the paragraph: that the officer's actions overrode the defendant's will. One helpful trick to keep in mind with thesis sentences: you know you have good thesis sentences if you can read just the first sentence of each paragraph and get its point. So you can check your paper for thesis sentences by just taking the first sentence of all the paragraphs, reading them alone, and asking yourself if the reader would get all the points you make in your document without reading any more.